So I think the best decision I've ever made in my life to date was to join EXP in 2021. And like I said, then I was just in a comfort zone with the office and then going into this um, modern way of doing business. And at first, I was doing everything the old fashioned way, even though I was in this modern business, because once again, we do what we used to and we think of things the way that we used to on a daily for our routines and the things that we do. I'm very proud of myself for the brand that I've built. I did not have a pre-branded team when I joined EXP. I built that branded team over the last 3 years. So we're just over 60 agents within the Realtor South Africa group at the moment. And it's such a beautiful and collaborative community. And I think one of our biggest things is the fact that we support each other. We really want the best for each other, and we all collaborate on daily. So whether it be the boards that are out in the for show houses or up for sale houses, those are the things that we build within community. And I think whether that community is local in your area under a brand umbrella, or whether that is across the globe, at the end of the day, if we build effective community with one another, that is when we will start exceeding.